Industrial RO purifiers come in various liter per hour capacities ranging from 25 to 20,000 plus LPH plants. These can be used in multiple commercial establishments, including offices, homes, factories, bottling plants, gyms, and more. Let us understand how the purifiers work. The tap water goes through the feed tank before moving to the feed pump. It then moves through the inlet pressure gauge and filters through the sand filter, carbon filter and or water softening filter. Finally, it passes from the RO membranes with one rejection outlet of impure water and the other clean drinking water going into storage or a water chiller. It is the most effective method of water purification. It does purify the water and make it very pure, but at the same time, it removes minerals bringing down the TDS, makes the water acidic, and same as the source water, gives out oxidized water. TDS controllers are employed for increasing TDS, which bypasses water through RO membranes, which does increase TDS, but also increase the chance of impurities in water, which is why it isn't recommended. For making sure you are drinking health benefiting and for better purification, we have the BioPlus filters to present. BioPlus H2AAA filters give out the optimum pH levels, add pure minerals that increase TDS and taste of water, reduce ORP making water less oxidizing, and add molecular hydrogen. Let us look at where and how the BioPlus filter fits in. There are three methods of installation. Installation method 1. Water is fed from the industrial purifier to the BioPlus H2AAA filters for water enhancement before moving to the storage tank. Installation method 2. Water flows from the purifier to the storage tank and goes into the BioPlus filter with the help of pressure pump before final consumption. Installation method 3. Water passes through the water chiller after being fed by the industrial purifier before it finally undergoes purification with BioPlus H2AAA filters and is transferred to the storage tank. The basic idea is to have BioPlus at the final stage of purification. The BioPlus filters use NSF certified safe material and are manufactured at ISO certified safe manufacturing units. Tested by several certified labs, BioPlus filters are one of the best in the market. BioPlus H2AAA filters come with a replacement/return policy and free pH testing of liquid. You can also choose customized options with zinc and copper filters. Connect with BioPlus to know more about the products and services we have to offer.